Keep your electronics spotless with powerful, reliable cleaning solutions designed for keyboards, PCs, cameras, and tight spaces. Best air dusters deliver strong airflow, precision control, and safe performance, helping remove dust fast while protecting sensitive components during daily maintenance tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. WOLFBOX MF100 Air Duster. The WOLFBOX MF100 Air Duster is a powerful and eco-friendly alternative to traditional canned air. Equipped with a super turbo fan reaching up to 150,000 revolutions per minute, it produces wind speeds of up to 45 meters per second, making it ideal for cleaning keyboards, PC components, vents, and other tight spaces. With 3 adjustable speed levels, you can switch from gentle airflow for delicate electronics to stronger power for stubborn dust buildup. It comes with 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, offering flexibility for different cleaning tasks. Beyond electronics, it can also help inflate small items or assist during outdoor activities. The durable build supports over 500 reuse cycles, reducing waste and saving money compared to disposable cans. With Type-C charging, it fully recharges in about 2.5 hours and delivers up to 100 minutes of runtime on low speed. Weighing just 0.66 pounds and featuring a lanyard, it's lightweight, portable, and convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. Number 2. Fitnac Turbo Air Duster. The Fitnac Turbo Air Duster is designed for users who need serious cleaning power. Its advanced turbo motor reaches an impressive 310,000 revolutions per minute, delivering strong airflow for removing stubborn debris from garages, workshops, automotive vents, and industrial tools. With 4 adjustable speed levels, it easily adapts from gentle cleaning of keyboards and cameras to heavy-duty dust removal tasks. The built-in 7,500 mAh battery provides up to 100 minutes of runtime on low speed and around 10 minutes at maximum turbo mode. Type-C fast charging fully powers the device in about 3 hours. A 10-in, 1-accessory kit includes multiple nozzles and brushes for versatile use. It also features a built-in flashlight with multiple lighting modes for improved visibility in dark areas. The digital display shows real-time battery and speed information, while the lightweight 0.78 lb design ensures comfortable handling during extended cleaning sessions. Number 3. Fanttik B10 Air Duster. The Fanttik B10 Air Duster combines strong performance with impressive battery life in a compact design. Powered by a 130,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it offers 6 adjustable speed levels to handle everything from light dusting to powerful debris removal. The one-tap Mega Boost feature instantly increases airflow for tougher cleaning jobs without switching through settings. Delivering wind speeds up to 65 meters per second, it effectively cleans PC components, keyboards, workbenches, and household surfaces. Equipped with dual 4,000 mAh batteries, it provides up to 210 minutes of runtime and can even serve as a small backup power bank for smartphones. Its compact size makes it easy to store in drawers or bags. A bright LED display shows battery and speed levels, and a built-in light improves visibility in dark areas. With 4 nozzles and 2 brushes included, the Fanttik B10 offers strong versatility for electronics and home cleaning tasks. Number 4. Yoyoto Cordless Air Duster. The yoyoto Cordless Air Duster is built to permanently replace disposable compressed air cans. Powered by a 150,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers airflow up to 52 meters per second with strong 150W performance, making it effective for keyboards, computer interiors, vents, and delicate electronics. 4 adjustable speed modes allow users to select gentle airflow or maximum power depending on the task. The package includes multiple nozzles and cleaning brushes for broader versatility, covering home appliances, car interiors, and workshop tools. A smart LED display clearly shows battery status and speed level. The 5,200 mAh battery provides 15 to 60 minutes of runtime, extendable up to 90 minutes on low speed. Type-C charging ensures convenient compatibility with laptops and power banks. Built-in safety protections against overheating and overcurrent help extend the lifespan, making it a reliable and eco-conscious cleaning solution. Number 5. Roedix 10,000 mAh Air Duster. The Roedix 10,000 mAh Air Duster is built for users who need serious power and long-lasting performance. Equipped with a high-speed turbo fan reaching up to 210,000 revolutions per minute, it produces airflow exceeding 45 meters per second, making it highly effective for removing dust, debris, and dirt from electronics, workshops, garages, and even outdoor equipment. With 8 adjustable speed levels, it offers precise control, gentle airflow for sensitive devices like keyboards and cameras, or maximum power for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. While it comes with 2 nozzles and 1 brush, its strong airflow output ensures versatile performance across multiple cleaning scenarios. The standout feature is its massive 10,000 mAh battery, delivering up to 420 minutes of runtime on low speed, ideal for extended cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. It fully recharges in approximately 2.5 hours via convenient Type-C charging. Designed for durability and supporting over 1,000 reuse cycles, the Roedix provides a cost-effective, eco-friendly replacement for disposable compressed air cans. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.